Good day, everybody. I want to talk about what makes an organization great. What is it about an organization that makes that organization not only better than any of other organizations within its industry, but great in terms of its contributions to the public, to our world, and also to the employees, customers, and owners of that organization? What makes that organization truly unique in the paragon and pantheon of other organizations that exist either today or in the past? I think there's four aspects that separate average organizations, good organizations, from great organizations. First is the idea. Great organizations have an idea that is singular in its focus, but universal in its approach. That means that this organization has an idea that is unique in its field. No one else has a similar idea. No one else is promoting a similar idea. And that idea is so unique and so beloved and so enamored by people that work in the organization, that trade with the organization, that it propels the organization forward. An idea is the generating aspect of a great organization. It is what provides the vision, the mission, the focus, the strategies. Have a good idea, and at least for the next year or two, your organization is secure. Everything else follows from that idea. And the second thing that follows is superstars. I've mentioned for years that employees are not the most important aspect of a business. It is those singular employees that I call superstars that propel an organization to greatness. Within any organization, there's 1, 2, 5, or 10 employees, depending on the size of the organization, that truly make a difference in the way that that organization operates. They are so unique in their mind, so unique in their knowledge, so unique in their skills and abilities, that those individuals are what the future of the organization is going to rely upon. We call them superstars because they have a super mind and a super ability. Find any successful organization, and you'll be able to point to 1 or 2 or 3 people who have been what I call the difference maker in their success. The third aspect of a great organization is what I call revolutionary zeal. Kind of an interesting term. There's 2 types of changes. There's revolutionary and evolutionary. Evolutionary is where you make an incremental approach to changing the organization. Those organizations that are great are revolutionary in their approach. They will dismantle their entire organization to move to another idea, a better idea, a unique idea, one that came from not only employees, but as we know, the superstars. An ability to tear apart an organization, to reformat, reorganize, re-energize, restructure an organization, to follow a new and different trend, is simply unheard of in many organizations, but not the great ones. The great ones have a revolutionary zeal to change what they're doing so that they can ensure that their product and service tomorrow is not only different, but better than it is today. Incremental approaches is not the path to take to greatness. Being able to change nearly everything about yourself and your business, having that revolutionary zeal spirit, is what it takes to become great. And last, though it's simple, it really forms the core of great organizations. They care. They care about the organization. They care about their employees. They care about delivering a product and service to their customers that enhances their life. They care about doing the right thing. They will never sacrifice success, profit, for anything else other than, are they going to make a product, are they going to make a service that is going to enhance the life of those they call their customers? Because if you can enhance the life of your customers, then you're guaranteed to generate revenue. And that revenue should be shared not only among the owners and investors of the company, but the employees as well. So that's it. That's what makes an organization great. They have a singular idea, an idea that is so unique in its focus that it propels the organization forward. Those ideas, secondly, are often generated by their superstars, those very few people who work in an organization that are really responsible for the transformational nature of the organization. Third is they have a revolutionary zeal in their approach to managing their organization. It doesn't matter what the organization does today. They will change that organization in any manner or form in order to ensure their continued greatness as an organization. And lastly, they care. They care about everybody they work with and everybody that they serve. Find an organization, build an organization that has those four aspects, and you'll find an organization that is truly great. Thanks, everybody. Enjoy the day.